What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, me. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribed to my channel, what's good, what's poppin', what's up? Hey. But anyways, as you guys already know, I am doing a how to make a successful YouTube channel. And you know, well, you guys probably don't know because you probably don't watch my YouTube channel, but it's okay. I am not doing my regular setup with my camera or my ring light, guys. Today I am on my iPhone because I am trying to low-key just let you guys know that you can make a YouTube channel off your phone. But yes, so let's get this video started. Alright guys, I have my notepad here because I'm going to be speaking on a little topics that you guys should know about YouTube. A lot of people ask me about YouTube constantly. Like, everyone's like, how to do this, how to edit, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this. Okay, well today I'm answering everyone's questions, and excuse my throat. Like, guys, I'm a little I'm a little hoarse still because I was sick last week, but it's okay. So first thing is equipment. Okay, so me personally, I don't have nothing extra. I just have a camera. It's a 2017 PowerShot SX730HS camera with Wi-Fi. And yeah, guys, this is all I use, like this. And then I have a MacBook Pro. Nothing special, but honestly, guys, I edit with my phone. I use iMovie, but that's a whole nother different situation. And I have a ring light, and I did purchase my ring light on Amazon. And like, you can get a ring light, or like, you know, those, you can use a natural light also. Natural light is really good. I prefer natural light because even with my camera, it looks so much better and more, like, the quality looks so much better with the natural light. Or you could use those, I don't know what they're called, but they're like, they look like umbrella boxes. They like boxes, but they're like box lights. I think that's what they're called. I don't know, y'all. Correct me in the comments if I'm not right, but you get the you get the gist. Okay, the second thing about having a successful YouTube channel is promoting, guys. You have to constantly promote your channel. That's with anything in life. You should always try to promote yourself. And you know, so promote. Mainly have an Instagram channel, have an Instagram page, Twitter, whatever you have, you know, post stuff, like post and be like, guys, I'm making a YouTube channel, go subscribe and go comment and go do this, and you know, just update your people who actually already have your, like, your fan base, like, you know, your fan base, like, you already have a little fan base on your social media, like, you know, you have people who like your pictures or whatever. Just, you know, update people that you're having a YouTube channel, and they should usually come subscribe to your channel and, you know, support you. Is an intro. Me personally, I don't really think you need an intro, but everyone, like, a lot of people mostly don't feel like they have a YouTube channel without an intro, but intros are great. I made mine off my phone, so wow. But I have an intro and an outro, but I'm just extra. I like to go over the top, and I'm not even a big YouTuber, guys. I have a small YouTube channel, so taking advice from me is really, like, I'm just telling you guys, like, my personal experiences. Like, I'm not a professional at any of this. I just do YouTube because it's something I like to do and it's fun. So yeah, so if you want to make an intro, make an intro, but you do not need an intro. Like, you can really just put your YouTube name and put it before the video and at the end of the video, or you can put a subscribe button at the beginning of your video or at the end of the video. It's perfect. It doesn't matter, you know, you have a channel as long as you have a video on there, you know. Okay, editing. Okay, so what I use to edit is iMovie. I'm sorry, y'all, my voice. What I use to edit is iMovie, guys. I use iMovie, and I use Facetune. and I use Be Funky. I use Be Funky to edit my thumbnails. I use iMovie to edit my videos. Every video y'all see on my YouTube channel, I've edited from iMovie. So you can basically do anything on iMovie that you can do from another app. Also, another app that a lot of people use is Final Cut Pro, and that is super expensive. So if you ballin', baby, then you can go get that app. I'm not ballin'. I'm using free iMovie. You can use that, but there's a lot of other YouTubers use different stuff, but I'm saying I'm using my personal, what I use. I'm telling you guys what I personally use. I use iMovie. So yes, go for it, boo. Make y'all YouTube channel and y'all gonna be successful. And thumbnails. Okay, so your thumbnail should be popping, baby. Like, your thumbnail should make people want to click your video. Like, I should be scrolling at my TL and I see this big, beautiful, I don't know, balloon, and I'm like, oh yes, I want to watch that. That's how people should feel about your thumbnails. So a lot of people clickbait. Me personally, I don't like clickbait because I hate when people clickbait me, because I watch YouTubers and I'm like, you're clickbaiting, really? Like, makes me want to dislike your video. But you know, it's all what you want to do, but thumbnails are really like what gets people to watch your videos. And not only thumbnails, your title and your thumbnail, and you put something from your title in your description box is perfect, guys, because people actually search those things up. People search those things up. Alright, music. If you do not want to get copyrighted, guys, don't be posting music. Like, don't be all on, don't have a full-length video with Beyonce's song, guys, because you're gonna get copyrighted. Like, if it's not your song, don't put it on there. Like, mainly you can do instrumental sometimes, but most of the times those aren't, you can get copyrighted as well. But there's like actually there's a YouTube site that you can go to have free music. I'm gonna probably put that in the description box if I remember. But alright, so enough about actually how to making a YouTube channel, but now we're gonna talk about what actually goes down on the YouTube life or whatever. So guys, money, the money part. I think everybody's main issue in YouTube is the money. Money, YouTube. Alright guys, so if you're wanting money, it's probably not gonna come like the first month or 2 months, or probably not even that short. It's probably gonna go like a year or 2 years, because YouTube is like popular now. So they changed it from watch time minutes to watch time hours. So now it's watch time hours, and your views have to be all the way up to get that, guys. Another thing, anything that, I'm sorry y'all, I'm just really all over the place talking about this YouTube stuff, but honestly, if you want a lot of stuff, a lot of YouTubers get their stuff off of Amazon. Amazon is the key to everything. You want a ring light, you want a box light, you want a camera, you want a tripod. Like, you can get anything from Amazon. Like, I prefer get a camera from like Best Buy or something, but you don't even need a camera. Like, I'm literally recording on my phone. You can record on your iPhone. Like, iPhones have great quality now. So hey, if you want to be a YouTuber with your iPhone, go for it. I'm telling you, there's so many YouTubers out there being successful with the iPhone, baby. You got it. So I just want you guys to know, like, if you want to be a YouTuber, and I just told you guys the simple things for small YouTubers, because I'm pretty sure only small YouTubers are watching this video. And yes, and if you are still watching this video, because some people probably clicked out, just saying, don't give up, guys. Make sure you be consistent making YouTube videos, because people who are actually loyal to your channel and who are subscribed and they watch you constantly, they have your stuff on and they're ready to go and they're ready to watch you when you post, baby. So if you post on every Tuesdays, make sure you post every Tuesdays. But to actually grow your channel, you should, me personally, I try to post like every other day or 3 times a week. So that's how you will grow, guys. Really, just, you have to be consistent. Really have to be consistent on your channel. And yes, and you're gonna grow. Boom, baby. Yes, straight like that. But that's mainly everything I can say right now that is on the top of my brain, because I can't really think anymore. But yes, if you guys want me to bring up any more topics, then let me know down in the description box. And I said down in the description box, down in the comments. Y'all see, I ain't even thinking right. But yes, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we lit on the ShyyUnique channel.